Everyone, this is KJ Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawin natin ito na reaction video, ang I-Very Merry Pen Shop Christmas Crazy Caroling with Beanie. So I won't take it longer. I'm really excited to watch this and kung ano ang ganap nila dito. And wait a minute, before anything else, Merry Christmas Blooms. Merry Christmas sa ating lahat. Naway, pagpalain tayo ng may kapal. Tama ba yun? Parang New Year naman yung greetings ko. But nevertheless, agad-agad, hindi ko kasi alam kung anong chika nila dito and hindi ko pa ito napanood since this is an on-the-spot reaction. Kamusta mga Pasko ninyo? Malamig ba sa Pilipinas? Ang alam ko, inulan kayo dyan kasi dito, malamig. Kahit sa Saudi kaming sinasabi nilang mainit daw dito, hindi dear. Ang lala ng lamig dito. Pero malala din naman pag summer. Pero mas mainit pa rin sa Pilipinas. Kasi dito humid lang talagang init. Sa Pilipinas, ang hapdi ng init. Anyways, agad-agad gawa natin ng reaction video, which is the Beanie. Ay, wait lang kung may idea kayo. Ano yun? May kanya-kanya silang, what do you call this? May kanya-kanya silang ganap kagabi. Like, ano yon? Umuwi ba sila sa bahay nila ng Christmas? Or sa ano lang sila, sa headquarters lang sila nagstay. Kasi usually, di ba, I don't know pero alam ko, hindi yan sila umuwi pero hindi tayo sure. So yeah, kung may idea kayo, please comment down below. Anyways, without further ado, let's all watch this. Mikaloy, ay partner sila pala dito. I wasn't informed I wasn't informed talaga for today's video.
Ay, magpaparinig ako.
Sorry. Ang ingay ko kasi.
Ay, magpaparinig ako.
Paparinig.
Zip ka.
Katawa. Caroling with Beanie. Beanie will be asked a random questions and their answers will be used as substitute lyrics to a popular Christmas song. Oh, okay. A kind of tree.
Coconut tree because we are the coconut girlies. Wow.
Coconut tree.
Number
2.
Why two?
Right, si Joanna. Ba't parang nagpapakit si Joanna kay Stacy dito for today's video? Why 2?
Why two?
Huh?
Why not?
Why not? Oo nga naman, why not? L?
Important day. Random. Random? Dami eh. Pero I think for me, talaga nasa puso ko, Independence Day.
Independence Day.
Ano bagay sa akin?
Ano ba kasi natin? Up or down?
Okay. Up.
Up.
Action verb. Love.
Action verb. An action verb.
I
Yep,
would
go.
choose jacket. Zip ka. Yung random.
Ang ganda ni Colette.
What's up, random? Super.
You wanna know what do you forward to do on Christmas?
Magpaparinig ako.
Magpaparinig.
Vouchers.
Magpaparinig ako ng vouchers. Ito pala yun. All I want for Christmas is you. Sige nga. Magpaparinig ako. Gusto pa naman ni Colette ng voucher, right? Siya yung nagsabi na voucher. Tapos ngayon, I don't care about the voucher. So, paano yan, Colette? Paano yan? I don't care about the vouchers ka for today's video. Pero tingnan mo naman, at wait lang, tingnan mo naman yung face ni, what do you call this? Yung face ni Maloy. G si Maloy for today's video. Maloy nyo, competitive talaga. Hindi talaga yan mawawala kay Maloy yung pagiging competitive for today's video. The coconut tree. Wait lang, wala may natawa sa kanila doon sa underneath the coconut tree. Natawa ako doon. Seryoso. Shishina. Play. Oh my God, kung alam ko lang na ganito kapaan itong video na to, sana ginawan ko na siya ng reaction video kahapon. Bakit ko pa pinatagal? Yeah. Mayo! Si Maloy. Yes, Maloy. Wait. Okay. Okay. Ay, pinulong. Pinulong, di mo kaya. Di mo kaya. Di mo kaya for today's video. Ay, pinulong. Pinulong. Pinulong nila for today's video. Eh, Stacy. May mataas eh. Wait lang, may kahit naglalaro sila, meron akong nadidinig na mataas na nakukuha niya ang what do you call this? Nakukuha niya ang tone kahit nilalaro niya lang. Meron. Is that Sheena?
Wait, hold up. Come on. You next time lang.
Sheena ba yun?
You. Ano na? Hey everyone! We are
Bini.
We hope you enjoyed our Crazy Carolyn!
Hey!
Wishing you the best of this joyous season and together with Pensha, Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas, Blooms! Bakit happy birthday? Christmas to you! Merry Christmas! Wait lang. Wait lang. Lumabas ang... Dito ko makikita na ang makulit pala talaga sa Bini. I am not pretty sure kung totoo man ang aking analysis ha, or ang aking observations. Pero dito ko nakikita na makulit pala talaga si Maloy, Sheena, and Stacy. Actually, yung personality naman kasi talaga nila, no? Makulit talaga sila. Ngayon ko lang nakita. And of course, Mika nonchalant. Nakaupo na naman si Mika for today's video. Come on. Hey, wait lang. Can we just repeat that na kumakanta sila? Kasi tawang-tawa talaga ako sa I don't care about the vouchers. Alam mo yon? Gusto ko yung I don't care about the vouchers for today's video. One for Christmas. Ay,
It's just two things I need. I don't care about the vouchers.
I don't care about the vouchers.
Open that tree.
I don't care about the vouchers. Hindi mo kaya.
Jacket. On the fire.
Ay,
Little Ella make me happy. With a toy on your Day. I just love you for my own. More than you could ever know. Make my wish come true.
Okay.
For Christmas.
Sige nga. Go. Go. Ay, wow. Wow. Bongga naman pala. Bongga naman pala.
Wait, hold up. Come on.
Sige.
You.
Ayun niya.
Ano na?
Ano na? Anyways, there you go guys. So this is over for today's video, which is from Beanie. This is KJ Vlogs, and see you on my next vlog. Bye!